Hey guys, welcome back. What's happening? Alright, so we were gonna look for a load today to take over the weekend, but a buddy of ours needs some help. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld a trailer hitch to our trailer here so we can put a temporary winch on it so we can pull up a vehicle that he needs. And you turn around, baby, there's my old pipeline welder. And you know, they say when you take a welder off a weld bed and put it on a trailer, that's where welders go to die. But I actually use that one quite a bit. So I don't normally weld on anything around and it goes in the dirt anymore, but we're gonna weld on something flat and straight. So this is what we got. Made a trailer hitch and put a hole in it, put the re-securement on it, and we're gonna weld it up, see if I remember how to weld. Doing, I'm trying to make sure that this thing is straight. That way it pulls straight and don't go off center. There we go.
Just remember that this man has leather skin, which is why he's not wearing long sleeves. What are you doing?
I'm just scraping the flux off so I can come back in with 7018 and make it strong. All right.
Hey, that was perfect timing.
Yeah, that was perfect timing. So when you go to shut off these old welders and you're not going to use it for a while, let me go turn my electric fan off. You're not going to use it for a while, close off the bowl. That way it runs out of fuel and doesn't sit in your carburetor. Anybody who's a welder should know that. Hopefully. So there, we're all done. Gonna put that hitch on there. And it's been a while since I ran 7018. It's been a long while. And but we got her done. And so for anybody who doesn't know, and anybody who watches my channel might know or might not, I don't have an idea, I don't have a clue. But you can see I'm having a hard time getting my rod out of the hole.
What's your favorite quote when it comes to the ladies? I like
Oh, I like my women like I like my metal, hot and dripping. I'm 10. Oh, my wife is apparently 10 too. But so that's a 6010 rod. Up there it's gray, 1/8. Let's see, 1/8. See if you can see, I don't know if you can see the, no, you can't really see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it, 6010. So that's good for root pass. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with 6010. I like 60-10 because it's a digging rod. Oh, you didn't like the way I had it?
I was just looking at nothing.
So 60-10, it's a digging rod, so I mean it'll weld through just about anything. And it's good for root pass. Now on pipe, you want to make sure your pipe's clean because it will leave porosity inside the pipe. But this isn't a pipe welding.
I say this is Hotshot.
Yeah, this isn't pipe welding. But love-hate relationship. So it's a digging rod. It'll weld through anything. Paint, you don't really have to take the paint off, so that's pretty nice. But man, it shoots sparks everywhere. And if you're gonna weld something on a trailer, you don't want to weld it with 60-10 because 60-10 is a hard surfacing rod, so which means it doesn't flex at all. 60-13, not a good rod for welding trailers with. 60-10, not a good rod for welding trailers with. 70-18, however, you can see sometimes it's gray, sometimes it's white. I don't know, can you see that?
What, of the numbers?
Yeah.
Nope.
All right, well.
It's probably too dark.
Yeah, but either way, it's a 70-18 rod, and you can get those in 3/32, 1/8, and on up. For hobbyists, you might want to go with a 3/32 because it's way smaller and it's way easier to run with the smaller welders. But you don't want to weld a trailer with 60-10. 70-18 is the way to go. You can run your root pass with 60-10 and then follow it up with a 70-18. And because 70-18 is a flexing rod, it's a soft rod, but it holds 70,000 pounds per square inch, and it'll flex. So if you go to do your trailer and your trailer's gonna flex, 70-18 is the way to go. If you weld it with 60-10, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna see a break somewhere in that weld. So that's your lesson on welding today, guys. Yay! So yeah, we're gonna help our friend out tomorrow and have a good time. See if we can get some footage of it. See if we don't break nothing. All right, guys. Y'all got any comments, questions, whatever? Hey, I was gonna say this before. Subscribe to my channel. All right, man. If y'all got any questions, comments, hell, hit me up.